Hey there, fellow gamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips in a fun and straightforward way. Today, we're diving into something simple yet essential: how to turn off your Nintendo Switch in 2025. Whether you're dealing with the latest firmware updates or just want to conserve battery life, knowing the proper shutdown method can save you headaches down the road. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Nintendo Switch is on and you're at the home screen. This is the main menu where you see all your games and apps. Now, locate the power button. It's on the top edge of the console if you're in handheld mode, or on the dock if it's connected to your TV. Press and hold that power button for about 3 seconds. You'll see a power menu pop up on the screen. It's that quick. Once the menu appears, you'll have a few options: sleep mode, which puts the console in a low power state, or the full turn off option. For a complete shutdown, select turn off using the joystick or buttons. Confirm your choice and voila! The screen will go dark and your Switch will power down safely. This helps prevent any data corruption and extends the life of your device. Now, a quick tip. If your Switch is frozen or unresponsive, don't panic. Hold the power button for about 12 seconds to force a shutdown. But remember, use this sparingly to avoid potential issues. Also, in 2025, with the new updates, you might notice quicker response times, so regular shutdowns keep everything running smoothly. There you have it. Turning off your Nintendo Switch is easier than beating the first level of Mario. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Game on!